What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm going to show you the best power strip for your technology. Well, if you're a modern home, you probably have different electronics, and those power strips that you've had in the past probably have a lot of big plugs like this, and that might not be what you need anymore. So this little TECKIN power strip here is pretty exciting, and I really get these only now instead of the old school power strips. So we do have an instruction manual here, and then we have the power strip in the box here. You can see here we have a very thick cord here, grounded. It's about 3 feet-ish long. Then we have the power strip itself, which is about 1.25 inches tall, plastic white housing here. We do have little silicone feet on the bottom, so it should stay in place when you put it on your desk or on the floor. And then what we have here are 4 grounded outlets, as well as 4 USB ports right there, so that you can plug in your electronics, so you don't need to find those little charging bricks kind of like this and have a lot of those sticking out. You'll have those right in there. Then we also have a power button right here, so you can turn this on or off, and so you can control everything. If this is hooked up to some lights or something, you want to power them all down. Also, if you open up the instruction manual here, you can see there's an app. You can use this QR code to download it, and that will allow you to connect this to your Wi-Fi network and control it from an app on the phone, which we will try next. So I already have the Smart Life app because I'm also using some of the TECKIN smart plugs, which is great. But once you get here and you set up an account, you can actually just go up here to the plus button to add a device, and I will select the power strip here that says Wi-Fi, and it looks like my indicator is blinking. And it looks like it found my power strip, which is awesome. I'm just going to hit done here. And now what it has here is, it looks like it has all 4 of those outlets, as well as the USB switches, so I can control each of these individually, which is pretty awesome. So I can actually name these if I have a specific light in here. So it's not just a great power strip, but it's a great power strip that allows you to create a smart home environment without doing a bunch of individual switches. So hey, if you want to pick up this TECKIN power strip, I think it's a great way to add automation and convenience to your life without having to rewire your entire home. I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.